Ready?
So let's check now our secret trade caches. So now we have 68 secret caches. So if you want to know how to save more than 50 secret caches, as you can see here, watch it on my YouTube channel. So now let's open the 68 secret caches, but we will open it by threes. They say if you open it by threes, you have a higher chance to get mythic shards. So let's try that, and let's open it by threes. So we have 68 secret caches. Let's open it. Nice. Mythic shard. No. So let's open it by threes again. No. Open by threes. No mythic shard. Oh, nice mythic. 4 mythic shard. Okay. Mythic. Mythic. Oh. No mythic shard again. I think I'm getting unlucky. Okay, 1 mythic shard. Nice. So far we got 8 mythic shard. Mythic shard. Mythic shard. No mythic shard. So 2 by 3s. Nice. 1 mythic shard. Too low. Nice. Nice. 6 mythic shards. That's huge. Mythic shard. Nice. Could be more mythic shard. Only 2 mythic shard. No mythic shard, my goodness. No mythic shard again. No mythic shard again. Nice. One mythic shard, very low. Very low. Nice. Two consecutive mythic crate. Nice, 4. That's huge. No mythic shard, my goodness. Last 5. No mythic shard, last 2. No mythic shards. So, using those 68 secret caches, we only got 22 mythic shards. It's very low. So let's open our another account. So we have here 50 secret caches crate. So let's open this by 3's. So two, nice. Let's open another 3. Nice. So we got 1. Another. One. Nice. 3 again. Like these. Nice, 4. I think we're getting lucky. Nice, 1. By 3's. Okay. Nice. 2 mythic shards. No, 3. Nice. Nice. Another mythic. Nice. 3. Okay. Nice. 3 again. Nice. Mythic again. 1. Okay. 3. Okay. Nice, 3. Let's open this 2. Last 2. Nice. 1. Okay. So when opening 50 secret cache crate by 3's, we've got 23 mythic shards. So it really depends on your luck. So in my previous videos, I've got 27 or 28 mythic shards when opening all of the 50 secret caches crate. So I think it really depends on your luck. So that's all for this video, and I hope that you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this one, key mapping tutorials, do-it-yourself tutorials, reviews, and some other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.